Hey guys, it's Tuesday, 12th of October 2021. No high priority news expected today. So yesterday was all about the yen, yen weakness throughout the whole of the market. Yen dominated, and we saw every yen pair have that push to the upside. I'm always a bit wary after big pushes because how long is that push going to go on for? We are overextended. I mean, we had a nice run from the 22nd of September up until 29th of September. Nice bullish run, correction, nice bullish run. This is the 8 moving average on the daily. You can see that we are extended from it. So I'm always a bit wary, like I say, of trading something when it's extended from, especially from the daily time frame. So I will be actually looking for the counter trend trade on yen pairs and for some yen strength to come in. Now, it doesn't mean that on the bigger term, bigger time frame, I'm looking for downside move. I'm just looking to trade the correction, the natural cyclicity of the market. Thought that was coming in actually a little bit earlier, where we got this 1 hour support and resistance here. We've got resistance, support, closed below it, and you can look for a sell limit here with stops above the high, or you could look for price action. We tested, but we didn't reject the level, so we've carried on to the upside. So yen might not be ready at the moment to drop, but I do have an alert set below this low here, and if we break that, then it's around about that big number 113 I should say, 113. If we start trading below there, then I believe that would be the start of the correction to the downside. S&P looks interesting. I've actually got an alert set at this level here, around about 43.67, where we've got support there. Resistance, support, broken. It could retest and we could see some downside here, so keep your eyes on that level. So we could be seeing something like that. So keep your eyes on S&P. Keep your eyes on the yen, ready for that counter trend move. May happen today, it may not. Here's a trade potentially. If you are an end of day trader, we've got Aussie Kiwi in bullish mode, bullish sentiment at the moment. We had the bearish sentiment here, bullish, looking for a pullback. Round about that big number 105, stops below this swing low here. That's something you could potentially look to trade, but as always, if I do suggest a trading setup, then it's up to you to do your due diligence and check out the trade for yourself and make sure you are comfortable in taking it. Okay, so EMAs in a bullish order. Looking for a bit of a deeper pullback into that. If we pull back into that 20, which we have done here, with the stop under there, you should be okay. Now, moving averages are dynamic, so they move with price. So just because the moving average, the 20 moving average is here at the moment, doesn't mean it won't be higher up, in a few hours time. Okay, so for me, as long as the stop is underneath that swing low there, then you in theory should be safe, as long as the technical play continues that uptrend, seeing higher highs, higher lows. Now, of course, you might want to have that limit order a little bit lower down, roughly where that 20 moving average is now. Okay, this was an order that we were looking at last night for end of day traders, really traders who can't trade intraday. So something else you could do is set an alert Okay, set an alert round about that 20 moving average on the daily if you want to, and you can look then on smaller time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour, look for buyers to come in, okay, or look for a morning star pattern, look for something indicating buyers have come in, okay, but just sticking with the trend, okay, nothing special about that. Euro Aussie, nice trend line here, nice bit of support here, which could become resistance. We can have a little look at price if it comes into that zone round about 157.86. Not seeing it pull up into that level at the moment, but that would be a nice level. On the bigger time frame, we have the inverse, so we have the head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Now the neckline is actually up here, where, you know, ideally we'd like to come and test, but there might be an intraday trade, like I say, if we can come back into this zone and bounce. Just be aware there is support there. This is why I wouldn't be placing any limit orders here. Literally, it'll be price action trading, and be quite aggressive with your stop loss. Literally trading it back towards this support area. If we start breaking above here, then I see potentially price coming in to test this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. But yeah, so that's kind of it for me, guys. I will wait to see what happens with yen pairs. If this alert goes off, that's going to be a key sign, so don't really need to do anything until that alert goes off if I'm interested in trading that counter trend move. Those of you who are wanting to continue to trade yen weakness, then obviously look for pullbacks on the time frame of choice. Hourly here on Kiwi yen, for instance, we have corrected, had a nice little correction actually, and we're seeing buyers come in. Let me just see what's strong and weak at the moment on the hourly. Aussie and Kiwi are strongest, dollar and yen are the weakest on the hourly time frame at this moment in time. So Aussie Yen, Kiwi yen are probably looking very, very nice for upside, but I would still be aware of the fact that yen is quite overextended. Okay, look at Aussie yen on the daily here. Yeah, bullish, but you know, I don't really want to be buying up here. I want to be buying back down here, okay, because that's where support is, that's where the moving average is. I'd rather see that, okay. For me, there's no value in buying up here, there's value in buying here. That will be, you know, down to yourself as a trader though. If you're happy to trade the extended move, you know, if you've got price agreeing to your personal strategy, for instance, then so be it. But I would suggest be aggressive with your stop loss and trade management, as we are so over extended from the moving average. Okay, I would suggest overbought. All right, so that's just my opinion. See what happens today. Got no news, no high priority news. So let's see what the market brings us. Guys, I will catch you soon. Bye for now.